Nick Reiner's murder trial has been derailed. We have learned that Alan Jackson, as I speak right now, the hearing has not started, but Alan Jackson will go into court and he will withdraw from the case. We are told that no plea will be entered. A public defender is going to be appointed. Now, that doesn't mean the public defender is going to handle this case from this point forward. Based on what I know, there is a real chance another lawyer is going to come in and take the case. As for why Alan Jackson is withdrawing, we know the family is going to issue a statement at the end of the hearing today, so take a look at that. But Alan Jackson, who famously represented Karen Reed recently, where she was found not guilty for allegedly killing her boyfriend, Alan Jackson will no longer be handling the Reiner case. Now, something else that we've reported is that Nick Reiner could likely plead not guilty by reason of insanity. As we reported, he was diagnosed with a form of schizophrenia called schizoaffective disorder. And in the month before the murders of Rob and Michelle Reiner, Nick's meds were off, and it sent him off the rails. So the defense of not guilty by reason of insanity has worked before. Not a lot, but it has worked, where somebody does not understand the nature and quality of what they've done. And that well could be something that is pleaded here, because based on what we know, it is likely that they're not going to simply plead not guilty here because of the amount of evidence that points to Nick Reiner as the person who killed his parents. So right now, Nick Reiner will not enter a plea. There will be a public defender. I don't think the public defender is going to be there for long, although I don't know that. And it is possible. But the family is going to explain why this has happened. Alan Jackson may well speak after the hearing today, and we will live stream that if he does. But right now, the Nick Reiner case is stalled.